The next one is that using self-defending key management service, you not only can manage the keys, but you can also add controls on top of that. So you can restrict the keys at the source key level. What you actually notice that the source key becomes very important key, because now if I go inside self-defending key management service and I delete the source key, then the key is gone from self-defending key management service, which means that if now you want to recover your cloud key, how would you recover it? But self-defending key management service gives you a lot of controls how you could restrict that, not just through RBAC, but even through Quorum policies. We'll take a look at it. And then the geofencing and multi-region key control. So which means that, as you know, that we created a single SDKMS group mapped to a region and an account, and that group can have its own restrictions and Quorum policy. Each group can have its own restriction and policies. You could say that US West 1 region, nobody should be able to disable the key. If somebody wants to disable the key, they have to get the approval approved. Similarly, if somebody wants to automatically rotate the keys, they can rotate it across all groups or across all clouds centrally. So let's take a quick demo on how do we control the access of these keys at various levels. So starting back from a group section, let's say, so cloud source key, this is the place, this is the group where we had our original source keys. Now there's BYOK K1 and BYOK rotated key. Both these keys are equally important because these are the original key material. Now if I go here and I say delete object and I select these and I hit delete, the key material will be gone. And after that, I'll not be able to restore this key if I really want to restore it, or somebody deletes my key from AWS and I want to restore it. So how do we control that? So in SDKMS, it's a very simple problem for us to solve. So you go to the source and you'll see a policy section here. There's something called Quorum Approval policy. What I will do on this group, I'll add a policy. And I will say, I'll just select one for the sake of simplicity. And I'll say one administrator, I can also say two. Two administrators from these, they have to be able to approve the request. So I'll select myself and I'll change it to 1 so that I can approve it. I'll select myself and I'll say save policy. And you can see that the operations that are sensitive that will ask for an approval here are destroy key, update key, and other operations. So I say save policy. That shows me that this policy will become active now. So I say save. So now if I come back to this group and I say group security objects and I pick this active key and I try to delete this key now, it says I understand that Quorum Approval will be requested to delete the object, which is fine. But what's going to happen now if I delete the key, it say approval request successfully created. And you see this icon, it just appears as an alert. If I click here, it is asking me that Vishal Gupta requested Quorum to delete security object BYOK K1.